Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deal with multiple tabs in a browser. Now if you have opened multiple tabs like this, sometimes it is frustrating and not easy to find the tab you wanted among all these. As you can see, YouTube is open in 4 places like this. So let's organize all these. Just click on this tab, choose add tab to new group from this drop down list, give it a name, then click on a color. Now you can add all these YouTube related websites into this group like this, and this website is over here, so if you add this one to the group it will go over here. So let's do that. Okay, let me create another group. Now you can see I have created 3 groups and arranged all tabs according to those groups. Now you will know which tab is where and it will be easy to access the tab. The best thing is, if you don't use these websites for some time, you can just hide these by clicking on the group name like this. And if you want to again access those, you can just click on this one again and it will expand. If you want to directly open a tab in this group, so right click on this group name, choose this new tab in group so that it will be directly added to this group. You can see. And that's it. If you like this video, share it with your friends and let them know. Thanks for watching this video, and for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.